Meta's new 2026 AI policy has ignited widespread privacy concerns by scanning private chats across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and Threads to fuel hyper-targeted ads. The policy, announced in October 2025 and effective December 16, allows AI to analyze keywords from conversations like recipes, travel plans, and health discussions, even in end-to-end encrypted messages. Users face a complex opt-out process with no simple US-wide switch, trapping many into data sharing for ad personalization. Reports indicate over 36 complaints filed with the FTC, raising alarms over consent violations, potential election meddling, and unprecedented surveillance. Critics warn this escalates commercial exploitation of everyday keystrokes, eroding trust after past scandals. What this means is a potential shift in user privacy norms, with regulators now probing Meta's practices. Stay tuned as investigations unfold and users demand stronger protections in 2026.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.